Hello, hello, hello. Golly gosh, it has been a long time. It feels like it's been years since I recorded a video. So, there's something relatively important I want to talk about. That some people know already. Jay knows. Quite a lot of people, I'd imagine most of the traders already know this, because it's an eToro update, which has been told to them via popular investors. Yeah, okay. So 13 days ago, today is the 5th of June, 13 days ago, which was, so on the 23rd of May, they announced that they're, making things better again. As you may recall, in February, a little before February, we had, in regards to copying traders, you could put minimum $200, and it was a minimum $1 trade size. And because of all the new people joining, they decided to amp it up to $500 is the minimum to copy someone, and the $1 trade size has gone to $2. On the 23rd of May, they have made a step in going back to the original ways. And I should have been on this sooner. This is 13 days. I'm 13 days late. And to be fair, I even knew about this like 2 or 3 days before they even announced it. Because Fowzix, let's see if I can find the doodah. So 17 days ago, I knew about this. Fowzix 17 days ago, he was saying, his current $700 that you need to copy him is now going down to $500 because of an announcement coming from eToro later this week. And he's like, what? I was like, which update is this? What's happening? Are they bringing it down? It's not public yet, but they expect an announcement soon. And this guy, Magia, says, it's going to be $500 still, but instead of $2 minimum trade, it's going to be $1. And then Fawcett says, until the official announcement, I can't say, or I can't tell. But it should be something maybe close to what Magia said. But yeah, real interesting. And then they announced it on the 23rd. So as of today, on the 23rd, the minimum copy size to open a position has been moved back to $1 from $2. The minimum amount required to copy still remains $500. It's progress. And this is actually quite big, because there are still quite a few people, Fowzix included, where $500 minimum won't do it. They won't copy all the trades. Fowzix, for example, requires $700, but not anymore. Now $500 will do it. So before, what was it? So $500 before would copy sizes of 0.5 and above. But now $500 will copy 0.2 and above. So as it's $1, we'll say 100 divided by 0.2. Yeah. So it should be exactly 0.2 and upwards. So any trades that your copier or person that you're looking to copy has any trades that's as small as 0.2% and above, you can copy that with the 500 minimum. As of 13 days ago, on the 23rd of May, 2021, which is brilliant, fantastic news. Here's hoping that eventually they bring the 500 down so I can actually copy more people. But this is going to be a quick video. It's really just to say that message, 13 days late or 17 days late. Just real quick, so let's see how I'm doing. So J Nemesis 29%, Hugo shot up to 13%. Falzix is a little behind still, minus 2.48, but he is doing very well. And I have complete faith, and I am not closing any of these now. I've done it too often, I've done it too much, because I'm stupid. I'm keeping these now. I'm not touching them, no matter what happens. These are my 3 guys. When I get more money, which should be soon, because when am I doing it? On the 1st of July, I'll be adding more money. Hopefully a little more than $200, but we'll see. It would be nice if I could scrape together $500 and put a whole new person on. That would be real nice. Let's see how I'm doing on here real quick. So 911. 9.11. That's okay. It's good. I mean, there's some people that's in minus still. So I'm happy with 9. It's a nice number. It's good for this year. It's been a bit rocky this year. Cool. Well, that does it. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Take on board what I said about the reminder of the let's change it from $2 minimum to $1. So anything above 0.2% on a single trade can be done with the minimum 500 now. Woo! Progress. Brilliant. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.